If you're looking to use AWeber correctly, you're in the right place. In this quick explanation, we'll cover how to get the most out of AWeber, one of the most popular email marketing tools out there. But stay tuned until the end because I'll also be sharing a competitor that could potentially better suit your needs. So let's dive in. First off, after signing up for AWeber, you'll need to integrate it with your website or platform. The process is pretty straightforward. AWeber allows you to easily link your email capture forms to your website using a simple drag and drop editor. This editor lets you customize everything from colors to content, so it matches your branding. However, while the customization is great, it lacks the extensive flexibility that some other tools provide. But for beginners, it's still quite user-friendly. Next thing, let's talk about creating and managing your email lists. With AWeber, you can set up multiple lists for various segments of your audience. This is important because segmented lists allow for more targeted campaigns, leading to better engagement. The platform lets you create automation rules, but it's worth noting that the automation options are limited compared to other competitors like ActiveCampaign. That said, for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs, the level of automation AWeber provides might be more than enough. Moving on to email campaigns, AWeber gives you a variety of templates that help you create professional emails without needing a designer. You can use their drag and drop editor to create visually appealing emails with ease. But here's the downside. While AWeber's templates are clean, they can feel a bit outdated compared to some more modern designs that other platforms offer. Still, the platform does make it easy to test and send emails, and the analytics help you track open rates, click-through rates, and more. Now, let's talk about integrations. AWeber integrates with all the major platforms, including WordPress, Shopify, and social media channels. It also allows you to connect with e-commerce tools for automating your sales funnels. However, while AWeber is highly integrated, some competitors offer more robust integration options with tools like CRMs, which can be a huge plus if you're managing a large customer base. Next, we need to discuss customer support. AWeber is known for providing solid customer support. You can reach them through chat, email, and even phone support if needed. However, some users find that their support is not as responsive as they'd like, especially during peak times. This is an area where AWeber could definitely improve. Finally, while AWeber is a solid choice for email marketing, it might not be the best option for those looking for a platform with advanced marketing automation and CRM features. That's where alternatives come in. Now, before I get to the alternative recommendation, I want to mention that through our link, you can get an exclusive and extended free trial to AWeber, which is an awesome deal if you want to try it out risk-free. But I also want to introduce you to some amazing alternatives that could be better suited for your needs. These platforms offer more advanced features, better segmentation, and even more customizable email workflows, and they come with free trials as well. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if you're serious about leveling up your email marketing game, check them out and make sure to explore all the options available to you. That's it for today's video on how to use AWeber correctly. Hopefully, this gave you some solid insight into whether it's the right platform for you, or if one of the alternatives we've discussed might be a better fit. Don't forget to check the description for those exclusive deals.